Let's take a look at inserting and removing a hyperlink. Put it back to my home here. If I go to my first cell, or wherever you want to put the hyperlink, and you click the Insert tab, then you'll have, under the links, you'll have a link option. If you click the top one, not necessarily the drop down arrow here, but if you click the top, it'll bring you up to this window. And the text to display, I can type whatever here. This is what the user is going to see. And down here is the web address. So if I type in this website here, www.mathheals.com or Microsoft.com or whatever you want to put, and then you click OK. If you click outside of that, you'll now see it says click here, but it's got a funny color to it. And if you put your mouse over it, it becomes a hand. If you actually click that hand, then that's going to bring up the website. Now, if I'm down here, you can't really click on it in order to change settings about it. So you right click on it, and you can choose Edit Hyperlink if you want to change settings about it. I just will show it briefly, even though this is really about inserting and removing hyperlinks. Let's say you wanted to edit it. You click Edit, and then you could click here for my site. You could change whatever. There's also a Remove Link here, which I'm going to show you a different way of doing it, but that's how you could take the hyperlink off. If I click OK, you see that, again, it's changed that, but I put my mouse over it, and then I could click that. I'm going to right click on it and choose Edit Hyperlink. And it's probably all exciting items there, now that I'm looking at it. Okay, so I'll click Cancel on that to remove the hyperlink. You right click on it, and there's a Remove Hyperlink. There's also an Open Hyperlink, but I'll choose Remove Hyperlink, and now it's gone. And that's how you insert and remove hyperlinks in Excel.